Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this a small video about a weekly recap, how the week went by. So let's get started without any wasting any time. So week started from 17, but I remember that I had a couple of trades, but I can't find the chart, so forget about that. So this is pound USD on the 18th, and I believe this the entry was probably 17th. Yeah. So I made this chart on 18. So this is a long setup according to my IB system, Magic IB system. And when the week starts, just like now, today's Saturday, right? So tomorrow I will do the webinar, and there are setups that I will give it to the subscribers, the charts, the setups, and they will do the trade accordingly. We all gonna do the trade accordingly, and then Wednesday I do another webinar and give recap the whole. Take Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, add new setups for if there are any for Thursday and Friday. Okay, so this is how we cover the week. So all of these trades that I'm going to show, most of them were I said and I showed it to the setups. I showed it to the subscribers on the last weekend webinar last Sunday, and same thing happened. So 18th pound USD long and Aussie USD based on Aussie weakness. I'll show you in a minute that how the Aussie was. I was expecting Aussie weakness. So in the 19th, this is what happened. And then Euro Yen with Yen strength, it went up. Okay, and on the 19th, this is Euro Yen trade. Let me see if I can show you. For example, this is Aussie index chart, and it's on the 17th. I knew that it's hitting the TL and it's going to drop to 52.38, and in doing that, Aussie will get weaker, and Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie will go up, and Aussie USD will go down, and Aussie Yen go down. I lost the Aussie Yen trade. I don't know where it is in the chart, but anyway. So, and what happened to this chart is, let me just show it to you exactly. To the pip, exactly the same target. It came down all the way. So doing that from here to here, Aussie got weaker, Pound Aussie, Euro Aussie went up, and Aussie USD went down. I'm going to show you how the Pound Aussie went up, and that you will see here. Here. Okay, so on the 19th, because of this Aussie weakness and Euro strength, I'm going to show you the Euro strength, how it looked like. But Aussie weakness was a big contribution here for this pair to go up for 250 pip. Here is the Euro strength I was expecting on the 14th. I made this chart, sent out to my subscribers. 78% is going to bounce from here, and it's going to go to 1825. Look what happened on this one. 1825 went straight up there from 78.6%, right? Same thing on the 19th. So Euro getting strong and Aussie was getting weaker. Euro Aussie will fly, and that happened, and I had my trade here. Similarly, and this setup, I showed it to my last webinar. It's there, right? So we were sitting at the TL, and I said, and I had a short here at that time, short open. All right, so I closed it, and I went long, and look what happened. A similar Pound Aussie setup was there, but unfortunately I missed that. I forgot about it because I was busy at this one and something else. So you can do it so much more. But the Pound Aussie trade went up like 400, almost 500 pip to the upside in a straight line. But that's okay. I don't regret. And then you have this EUR-USD on the 20th going all the way up with the Euro strength I just showed you. So it was going up. EUR-USD was going up with that. And then on the 21st, you can see the EUR-USD went up to. These levels are very important. We bounced from a very strong level, 06, 08. These are weekly, monthly highs and lows. This is a monthly low. Clear monthly low, so went up all the way straight to a monthly low again. There was a level, and at that time the Euro index was turning to the downside again. So I said, okay, Now maybe Euro USD will go down, and that's what happened. Okay, and let me show you where the Euro index started to turn to the downside. If I have the chart, I don't have it here. Oh, here. Okay, all right. So this is it went up there, and then I made this chart that okay, enough is enough. 1825, we got there, and then it's gonna go down, and it did. We are right now here. I don't have the chart right now, but you know you can. Well, you cannot see it here. I don't know. Maybe I have the chart. Yeah, I don't have it. I don't have it. Okay. So let me see if I can. Oh, I forgot about it. So yes, it started to drop, and then Euro USD. You can see the chart, the trade. Then it went down here. Plus Euro Aussie also because they are both turning. Aussie getting strong here. Let me show you how. Aussie after coming down here, I said we're gonna go up, and look what happened. See that? I said we're gonna go up, and we are going up, right? So if you are predicting the movements of individual currency this accurately, how can you not make any cuts? You know what I'm saying? I'm showing you step by step that we bounce from here, we go up. Yeah, I had it then, and then I said he's gonna drop all the way from here to here. That happens, and then bounce from here to and then at the same time euro index. So euro is getting strong, Aussie getting weaker. That pair will fly. Euro getting weaker, Aussie getting strong. That pair will drop. Simple. So this is what happened. Aussie. Euro Aussie start dropping. That's 21st, right? And then you have pound Aussie as well, because Aussie strength, it dropped too. It didn't drop much. Why? Because pound is strong, okay, compared to euro. Euro was getting weaker. And let's see what happens. The election is happening, so maybe I think tomorrow we're gonna get the result from French election. So let's see what happens. Okay. And pound got strong very much after early in the week, beginning of the week. I think Monday, right? Theresa, Marisa, UK PM Prime Minister Theresa May. She came out and she dropped a bombshell, saying that she's gonna have the election on, I think it's June 8th, right? And that somehow made the pound very, very strong, and that's why pound Aussie went up big time. I had the pound Aussie set up, and you showed it on last Sunday, and it went up straight in for 500 pips. Other charts, very interesting charts. For example, if you look at this one, USDX, I made this in January, right? And I gave the specific route that we're going to drop from there to here, these two white lines here, the band, maybe the TL touch, and then we're going to go up to this high here, 0698. Then we're going to drop. It's like I'm, having a crystal ball, and I'm seeing it that this is what's going to happen in months to come, step by step, dropping and then going up and then dropping again. How can you do that? Right? But I did it. Let me show you what happened to this chart. This is where we are now. We came down here. We went up exactly the same place that I said we're going to go, and then we're going to drop, and we're dropping. And this TL, once again, is stopping it, but I think that we're going to break it and go to the downside. But just in case, if it doesn't, then, I have things covered. Okay. So this is what happened. And then daily chart also, I made daily chart after a little while. This is the one. See, after dropping and then we're going up, this is A, B, and then we're going to go up here for C, and then drop here for D. And this chart, you can see this is what happened to this chart. So far, as of today, we are here. You see, we went up there, we came down, and we went up, and then making it in between C to D, the last leg, we're also making a small A, B, C, D, A, B equal to C, D. This is the area of target. And like I said, if there's a TL, right now we are sitting at the TL on a weekly chart. And if we bounce, then it's a different story. But most likely we're going to drop here, and the US dollar will get weaker sending pound USD and euro USD up. Also, if you can look at my Twitter, I've been tweeting all these. Like for example, here we have pound USD a 40-minute long as well on the 21st. Didn't happen. When the market opens up and USD start getting weaker again, I just showed you the chart. And pound is as it is strong. We have a very good chance that that pair will go up again. And this is also, see here, I had EA and GA shorts which are now closed. Currently we are having EA and GA 40-minute long setups. So this is also on Friday. For GA, it's 40-minute long setup. So the pound is getting strong anyway. So all we need is an Aussie weakness, and this pair will fly again. Okay, and all of these trades and coming setups, I always tweet. So that's a big plus. See, EJ and FJ 40-minute setups are playing out, and that's what happened. EJ, the last one right here. Okay, on the 21st, I said EJ setup is playing out, and this is what it is. Okay, so far it's like 50 pips. This is a 40-minute chart, so a small move is a lot of pips. But maybe when the market opens up, this will fly. You never know. Okay, so the trade, I just took out the picture and then closed the trade. So let's see what happens if it goes up. Because after Friday, a lot happened over the weekend, so need to be careful. So just this is what I wanted to show, that this is how I'm doing with this Magic IB system and my analysis. So if you want to be a part of it, just go on my website and subscribe. By the way, the price went up already, and they will be going up again in June. So, but I still have those credit card buttons at $50 on my website, so you can take advantage of it and then go and subscribe and lock in the price. Whoever is sitting at the $50 a month will stay until they cancel, right? And but if you want to, PayPal buttons, I think they are all changed. I don't know, but they are already $77 a month. So take advantage of it. $50 a month. Just go and sign up now, so that you don't have to pay. And it doesn't matter, $50 or $77, because or $97, which will be in June. Why? Because if you take one of these trades, only one trade in 1 week, for example, any of these are hundreds of pips. I'm not, this is, you can count these pippage. Okay, this is 250 pip. One mini lot will give you $250. One standard lot, that's $2,500. One trade like that. Like I said, pound Aussie trade. If I show you what really happened after I showed this, the setup on the last webinar, on my last Sunday webinar. This was the setup. We were sitting exactly here. And I said, this is the high, we're sitting here, and we're going to bounce from here, and we go all the way. And the market opens up, and right around here, Teresa came in, right here. Teresa came in, and she gave us the news about the election, and then poof, it went up. Okay, and this is still bullish, and it has a long way to go. And I have the chart for my subscribers. So, like I said, yeah, if you want those charts, you want to take advantage of these setups, and you want to learn how I do it, what are these white lines, harmonic patterns, elite wave, be a part of this group. Go sign up and start learning. Okay, this is it for now. Have a wonderful weekend, and thanks for watching, and hope to talk to you guys soon.